What's the meaning of afters? Afters. 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 Afters is a British slang term that refers to dessert or a sweet dish served after a meal. It can also refer to an after-party or gathering that takes place after a main event. The word afters is commonly used in informal settings, particularly among young people. It is typically associated with casual social occasions and signifies a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere where people can unwind and enjoy each other's company over food and drinks. Overall, afters connotes a sense of fun, informality, and indulgence.